Hi everybody, how are we? Well, I've uploaded one particular video, but I thought you might like to meet Beanie. Now, just in case you're wondering who Beanie is, a bit of a story behind Beanie. Isn't there, sweetheart? Hey? Beanie was originally my parrot. Beanie is a Quaker Parrot. And I think she's about 5 years old now. Isn't that 5? You reckon you are? You're about 5? About 4 or 5. And she was originally my parrot, but I gave it to my daughter when my daughter moved out. So now that my daughter's moved back again for a while, we've got Beanie back, don't we? Oh, there she goes. You good girl? Oh, look at the wings. Aren't they pretty? Get a close up of Beanie. There we go, darling. A good girl. A good girl, Beanie. Beanie is a baby. Good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, it's a good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes. So I am going to make up a little collection of videos and everything to introduce you guys to Beanie. Isn't that right, darling? Eh? Good girl. Good girl. She likes to purr. Don't you, Ben? You like to purr. Good girl. So Sir Eggy is in his house. He was a naughty boy, so he's having a bit of time out at the moment. And Beanie's come out for a little bit before my daughter gets home, and then I'll have to put her back because my daughter really doesn't like me getting her out that much. Hey, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. So yes, guys, this is Bean. What you doing? What is it? What you doing? You're a good girl. Oh, what you doing? Bean, kiss. Good girl. Not my ear. Not my ear. No, my ear. No. She's very, what? She puts up with me, but yes, I know. Yeah. Good girl. Do you know that? Mwah. He's in there now. Listen to him. Yeah. Have to get him out later. Have to get him out later. Yeah. What are you doing? I love you. I love you. Pretty girl. Pretty, pretty girl. Mwah. Pretty, pretty girl. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty baby. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Ah, thank you. She's very bonded with my daughter. Aren't you? You bonded? You're bonded. Can you hear him? He's in there. He's going right off. Yes, he's going right off. Yes, he is. Good girl. Good girl. I'm going to get some pictures and I'm going to put them all together and I'm going to make a bit of a video, a bit of a vlog on Beanie. Say hello, everybody. Good girl. Okay, guys, I'll catch you guys later. From Beanie and I, it is. What are you doing? Oh, you're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Okay, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye.